This video tutorial will provide the understanding of how to email a copy of your client's tax return within the AccuTax software. Before emailing a copy of a tax return to your client, your email settings must be enabled. To enable your email settings, navigate to the Software toolbar, select Setup and then Office Setup, and the Application Settings window will display. Select the Text Message and Email tab. In the Mail Settings section, enter your email and password and select the Activate Text Message and Email button. The activation process will begin. After the email feature has been activated, click OK. The email function works only with a Gmail account. Sending an email. Select and open the tax return that is being emailed. If this is your first time sending an email, make sure the printer settings are enabled to send emails. To enable email settings, navigate to the Software toolbar and select Setup and then Printer Setup, and the Application Settings window will display. Select the 1040 Return Printing tab and select the Send to Email for the preparer and client and click OK to save. It is important to remember that an email address must be entered for the taxpayer and spouse, if applicable, in the client data screen before a copy of the tax return can be emailed. With the tax return open, select the Print button in the tax return menu bar, and the Print Final Return window will open. Select the Email button and the PDF password window will open. If you choose not to enter a password, delete the defaulted password out of the PDF password window and click OK. However, since you are sending sensitive information, it is strongly recommended that you assign a password to protect your client's information you are sending via email. Use one of the following two methods when creating a password. To accept the automatically generated PDF password, select OK. This password consists of the last 4 letters of the taxpayer's name and the last 4 digits of the taxpayer's Social Security number. Or, enter a unique PDF password. For this video tutorial, we will use the taxpayer's phone number. After entering in the unique password, select OK, and the email window will display. The subject field will pre-populate a subject text. You can change the subject text by deleting the text and updating the text if you choose. The body section of the email is pre-populated as well with defaulted text. However, the body section can be edited if you choose. If a password has been assigned to the return, select the Send Attachment Password box to send a second email to your clients containing the PDF password. Your clients will need this password to open the emailed copy of the tax return. Select the taxpayer and the spouse, if applicable, to send the email to the client, and select OK to send the email message. If the client has forgotten the password to open the emailed tax return, and you utilize the defaulted password method, just remember the defaulted password credentials, which is the last 4 letters of the taxpayer's name and the last 4 digits of the taxpayer's Social Security number. If you use the unique password method, then a new password must be created and the tax return will need to be emailed. After watching this video, you should now understand how to email a tax return. Check out our many in-depth training video tutorials in the AccuTax University Library.